Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can cancel your Coursera 7-day free trial. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in Coursera. So if I say that I am going to start the 7-day free trial, I will go with that plan and I will click to my Gmail account and it will log in me here, and I already have this 7-day free trial enabled in my profile. So here I just need to select my country from that place. Once I click this one, then I just need to provide my card number and the expiry date and security. So once it's done, you just need to click on start free trial, and you will already purchase this 7-day free trial. And if you want to cancel this one, you just need to go over here. Let's say I will come back that place and go to this one, and you just need to log in here, and then you just need to go to the my purchase. Once you come over here, then into the payment history you will find out an option that you have this 7-day free trial version, and they will also give another button that's called cancel the free trial, and eventually if you click over that place you can easily cancel your 7 days free trial. The process is really simple. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.